Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data so transfers don't stall. Once done, open WhatsApp and confirm you're in the right account. This avoids sending messages from the wrong number. Next, locate the contact. Either scroll the chat list or use search to pull up the recipient. Doing this first saves time and prevents mistakes, because you'll be operating directly inside the active conversation, where the transfer actually happens. Now you select what to transfer. Long press a single message to highlight it, and then tap any other messages to select multiple items. Once selected, tap the forward arrow. This opens a list of chats and contacts so you can choose destinations. If you're forwarding media, make sure to edit or remove captions as needed before confirming, because WhatsApp forwards the content as is unless you change it. That control helps you avoid sending irrelevant or private notes along with the message. Finish by tapping send and then watch the delivery ticks. 1 tick means sent, 2 ticks mean delivered. If you need a full conversation rather than selective messages, use export chat or restore from chat backup to transfer history. These methods preserve timestamps and attachments. If a transfer fails, check your internet connection, update WhatsApp to the latest version, and restart the device if needed. That sequence resolves most issues and ensures your messages arrive intact and readable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.